AI is no longer the future, it's the present. But how can kids learn it the right way? As we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that AI skills will be essential. The job market is evolving rapidly, and industries are increasingly relying on artificial intelligence to drive innovation. By equipping our children with AI knowledge today, we're preparing them for a world where these skills will be in high demand. So, what are the top AI courses that kids can dive into? First up is Python. This programming language is the backbone of many AI applications. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Next, we have machine learning, which teaches kids how to create algorithms that can learn from data. It's fascinating to see how machines can improve their performance over time. Robotics is another exciting area. Kids can build and program robots, giving them hands-on experience with AI in action. Lastly, creative AI allows children to explore the intersection of technology and art, enabling them to create music, visuals, and stories using AI tools. Now let's talk about the benefits of learning AI. First and foremost, it enhances problem-solving skills. Kids learn to approach challenges logically and creatively, skills that are invaluable in any career. Speaking of careers, understanding AI opens doors to future job opportunities in fields like data science, software development, and even healthcare. Finally, AI fosters creativity. By using technology to express themselves, kids can innovate and think outside the box, preparing them for a world that values original ideas. But how can we make this learning journey easier for our children? That's where JetLearn comes in. JetLearn simplifies AI education with a structured curriculum designed specifically for kids. The platform offers interactive lessons, engaging projects, and personalized support, making it easier for children to grasp complex concepts. With JetLearn, kids can learn at their own pace, ensuring they build a solid foundation in AI. Want your child to master AI? Explore JetLearn today.